Smoke inhalation during a fire can be extremely dangerous and affect our long-term health. UK manufacturer Elta produces smoke fans which provide emergency smoke extraction inside a fire danger zone, providing peace of mind for building occupants and a safer space for firefighters.
Meticulously crafted with the precision and diligence required for products involved in protecting lives, smoke fans were a natural progression for a company such as Elta, used to manufacturing high-quality products in many different markets, including commercial and hazardous area applications since 1974.
The attention to detail of the fans is important. They're life-saving equipment. Therefore, the processes, the procedures, the testing, the quality, they all match the specified products that we do for the marine market, for the oil and gas market. They all follow the same path.
Smoke fans play an essential role in protecting communities from the lasting effects of fires. They are especially built to withstand much higher temperatures for longer periods of time, extracting smoke while people vacate burning buildings and firefighters tackle the blaze. Smoke fans have some very specific adaptations. So Phil, this is a smoke fan. So what makes it different to a regular fan?
So compared to a regular fan, the impeller has an increased tip gap between it and the casing to allow for the expansion when it gets to temperature. The motor is suitable for high temperatures, so it can withstand 2 hours at 300 degrees.
Smoke fans are also made to blend seamlessly with their environments. They go unnoticed until they are activated. Elta is often consulted up front, with every single stage of every fan built in one of their 4 UK-based factories. The company's supply chain supports everything from materials, research and development, right through to final testing.
Well, the fact it's all made locally and all made within our factory means everything's within our control. So when customers need something in a hurry, we have that flexibility to be able to deliver on that. British
Manufacturing is still very strong and has a reputation throughout the world. I think it oozes quality. It's processes, procedures that we have in place. We're very rigid on maintaining those standards, and that forms part of the integrity of doing the right thing.
Elta goes above and beyond to maintain robust working practices, taking the industry forward while setting a high bar for compliance.
We take part in standards committees, so writing the standards or helping to review and the standards we have to work to. We also take part in trade associations and the working groups driving new legislation, which means we always make sure we're at the forefront of it.
Being at the forefront of legislation and safety standards means ensuring Elta's design engineers and the wider team are engaged in and provide ongoing professional development.
Elta is proud to be producing the products that we do into very demanding industries and applications, and that requires a level of quality, of detail, of reliability of our product to be fit for purpose. And the way that we achieve that is investing in our people. People are our best asset.
The company's key focus has always been to attract and retain its customers by offering the best possible service. By combining that with the priority of safety, quality and compliance with every product, Elta maintains strong customer loyalty while consistently setting the gold standard for their employees, industry partners and clients alike.